Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How is everyone doing this morning? We'll go over some levels here in 5-10 minutes of the day. Good morning, Arthur. It's quiet in here today. So far. Good morning, though. So, big drop on CPI. You guys should have easily been able to pass accounts. Candle was about 300 points. Down a total of 340 points. And I don't really have any levels right now. I mean, I think usually when we dump like this, we usually do rebalance to the upside. But, so I would suspect we go up on the market open. Yeah, gonna go up from here. Huge drop. Was a big drop. I do think it'll go back up. I'm not sure how far. But I would be a little interested in this area. Just the start of these gaps, kind of like right around 600, 610. So Yeah, but might just sit sidelined this morning because this is, even though it's a fair value gap, it's really not like we could easily just eat into this. It's not like we're gonna see a sharp reaction as if it's like this, right? This has more structure to it. This is just a news dump. This has more structure to these gaps right here, right? So yeah, equities, Tesla's looking okay. Microsoft, obviously just everything's down, right? I mean, everything pretty much looks the same because of that news scandal. So hard to tell. I would say so I think we go up a little bit. We'll do a poll though. Most of you guys just tend to vote on whatever direction we go in pre-market, so I think most people are going to think we're going to continue down. Most people just vote in the direction of the trend, so we'll see what the vote is. This is my last live stream of the week. Gonna be gone the rest of the week, so no trading for me Thursday, Friday, which is not really a big deal because tomorrow still more news, PPI, unemployment claims. Friday, more news. I mean, not that they're huge news events, but still. So not a huge deal there. Then next week, actually I'm not live at all next week either. Next week, bank holiday Monday, so no trading on bank holiday, and I will be gone all next week on a trip. I'm watching my girlfriend's last swim meet in college, so still be active in the chat and stuff. Maybe I'll live stream, but probably not. I'm assuming I won't. So might be like another 10 days before I live stream again. Now you guys are gonna miss me. Good morning, TJ. We will miss you. Fed chair throws in a monkey wrench today. Yeah. Not good. Not good. All right, guys, take a vote. All right, there's 20 of you in here. Vote on the poll. Let's get active. Wake up. Wake up. I know you, Jules. There's only 4 votes, so I was just looking. You're long from 534. That's not too bad. Yeah, usually when we dump this much though, we do end up rebalancing back to like near the 50%. So like something I'd be watching is this level right here. I'll mark it out. 711. This level. I'll mark it purple. I'll mark it white. Yeah, 711. That is the area I'd be watching today if we do reach up into that. Okay, that is the midpoint of this gap, which can be a key point. So I need to wake up. Right now there's not a whole lot of structure though. I'm not sure if I love how the market's looking. I think we might see like kind of a dip and a rip on the open. I will not be speaking on that about that product ever again, Jules, as requested from, you know, so. Nor will I ever be using it again. That's all I'll say. All right, so 10 votes, 4 people think the market's gonna go down, 6 think the market's gonna go up. We do have about, 14 more people in here who haven't voted. They must be asleep. They must be asleep because they're not voting. A lot of you don't chat. Come on, I want to learn who some of you are. All right, we got a good community in here, good group that joins. Nope, they're still AFK. They're still away. All right. I'm gonna make a video today over the new settings that you guys can use, 42 range. It will be done today and posted sometime today, probably around lunch. Just a heads up for everybody. Be careful today with your manual trading as well, because the range could be a lot bigger than it looks today. Like, these candles look kind of small, like if you just look at the bigger picture, but these are still like 20 points, they're still big, so no worries, TJ. I'm pressuring the other people into chatting. You're always chatting. We got like is regular cold or what? Good morning, Aramir. How you doing? So I think the market will go up this morning. We'll see if it's a dip and rip first, though. Could be wrong. You never know. There's a little pump. Curious to see how we react at 90. The thing is, all these gaps up here are just, there's no structure from the gap. It's literally just the big news candle, so it's not like the highest quality trade. Still could play out, but 42% of people think the market will go down. All right. Tesla has really been dropping lately. Nvidia speeding up to the downside. There's really no structure here though. Like, make sure I have all these gaps loaded in. All right, that's a little bit better. Okay, you have some stuff to the downside. Not much though. Again, not much. Even broke through all these gaps. Short 32 range. Short 32 range. Again, this is not the best time to be trading. You guys probably should wait till 9:35, okay? Especially on a CPI day, because that'll happen. That's why it's good to wait. That's why it's good to wait a little bit. Gonna move this off the screen for a few minutes and we'll just see if SBS does anything. That's a big candle though. Big candle there. Again, hopefully you guys missed that trade because you listened to my advice most of the time. Start at 9:35. Yeah, don't DM him. DM, I think his name's LQD or something. There's info in the Discord to buy it. You don't need to DM him, but he's just the guy who owns that Discord. A lot of owners aren't as active as me, you know. Do we have any other news this morning? We do have Powell again at 10 a.m. Great. Yeah, this is not going to be a great morning, I have a feeling. 10 a.m. Powell testifying. 10:30 crude oil inventories. So let's see how we react if we touch 90, right? Nice strong push. Alright, so 9:36 now. Now everyone pretty much should be open to trades. Again, big pump there. I don't know if I want to be shorting right now. Probably best to just be sidelined. Thing is, I feel like we could still move lower as well. Equities are all moving up though. So yeah, I'm not sure. Might be smarter just to sit right now. Could see a nice, I mean, you could see a scalp short though. I mean, I don't know. We're in that area, so. Meta is moving up. That's good. Nvidia slowly moving up. Apple looks alright. Tesla looks alright. I don't know. Market's a little mixed for right now, for sure. A little bit mixed. Do have VWAP at 626. Maybe we move up to VWAP. Just touched VWAP 626, right? And inside the gap. But the only thing with this strategy that I've been telling you guys about, right, is when the Bollinger Band's expanding to the upside like this, and this is curling in at the bottom, usually that's a decent sign. You know, its volatility is moving up. And you'd want to see, ideally, like if you're shorting, the Bollinger Band kind of flat or starting to curl down, and then you see a pop, right? Something like that. But when it's expanding like this, it's a less probable short versus if it's slowly curling down and then you see a pop through. That's a little bit better if it's, you want it to be a little more flat, right? And you can see here, like you might have been able to scalp some trades, but you're not getting that ideal pullback that you want versus like here, right? I mean, this isn't super ideal either, but it's down or flattening right here. So, you know, something short there. You did get a decent pullback, right? Rejecting VWAP again at 25. So, yeah, I mean, you could always do something like this. Like, we're at VWAP. I actually just took a little scalp, but it was very, very quick. I literally got like 8 points and I was out. Off of VWAP, tight stop. That was the initial rejection. And it went for 19 points. I got 8. I hopped out. Because I know the stronger trend is up right now, so. But I'm up 290 on the day. And I think I'm done. I don't know. I take trades off screen manually, right? I initially shorted here, I think, or got a bad fill. Stopped out up here. Took a stab short. Where did I get short? This is the first trade right here. Stopped out. Second trade up here. A little bit of profit. Made about 350 on the trade. Minus 250 here, so that's up like 100. Then took a short here. Hopped out around here. Just from that little bit. And got a 160. So not ideal. Like pretty much 1-to-1 risk reward there. Ideally, I'm pushing for the 2s. But today, I don't see a lot of opportunity. So I wanted to be in and out fast. Look at this pump. Watch for a VWAP retest at 625. Again, when we get these stronger uptrend days, you're not going to really get as many SBS trades, so don't feel pressured. Remember, SBS is a long-term deal, right? And I will be making the updated SBS video with some new settings today. That'll be done sometime today. Big wick there. We just tapped 650. From the area that I told everybody to watch, kind of the 700 to 711. I'm pretty interested in 711. See how we do there. That is the midpoint of this gap. Okay. So interested to see what goes on there. Okay. Let's check on Botfolio and see if we are in anything. Let's see. I'm not gonna show anything yet. Nope, nothing. Never even pulled back to VWAP. What are you guys thinking? You think we continue upwards? I think we continue up towards 711. I think he is pumping. It is pumping. It's recovered. We dropped 1.55%. And we're back up. Yeah, we've recovered half of the move, just about. I mean, half of the move as a whole. So 50%, we just tapped the exact 50% right here, which is at 680.5. So this yellow line. I mean, generally speaking, TJ, you know, I think it does. Depends on how drastic of a move it is. But slam back down, yeah. So just have 50% there at 680. I don't think that'll be the resting point. I think we go to 711 at least before doing anything. ES. Actually, it looks, yeah. I think that'd be a stretch though. ES is not at 50% yet. It's actually quite a ways below. So that is a divergence. Could watch for something pullback, I guess, here. Where's that fib I just had? Did I delete it? Must have. So, see how Bollinger Band slightly starting to fade? Not really. It's still pretty much going straight up. You can see it's on a trajectory to potentially flatten right around 711. So I would be watching something up here. Doesn't mean pull the trigger, but at least watch. Bollinger Band kind of flat right now. Big pump. Curious around this, remember, 700, 711. Bollinger Band expanding again. Yes, getting above this midpoint VWAP. There's 700 to the T. 700.5. I don't know if I expected a rejection from 700 necessarily, but everything else is moving up. Slowly, at least. No trades on anything else from 9:35, so slow morning for SBS, but as expected. When you get this big of a move, right? Bollinger Band sitting around 711 right now. So rejection of 700 again. Apple's rocketing up right now. Yeah, I'm yawning a lot, man. I'm yawning a lot. Just yawned again. Oh boy. Not good. I'm probably making like half a yawn. Lawn, yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, and down about 25 points from these highs here. Like you could have scalped a short off of that 700. I would have thought it'd probably be more of that 711, but we still could see it. Not real interested in longs either because I don't like playing the midpoint and there's only gaps in this midpoint. Like technically, you know, I would be interested here. 643, but I don't like playing inside the Bollinger Bands. Hey, you knew? Yep. Problem. I'm doing an updated video today for some unicorn settings, as some people have been calling it. Yeah, Powell in 3 minutes. Thanks for that reminder. Again, probably good to, honestly, if you don't have trades today, it's realistically probably smart just to not trade today. Okay. It's one of my rules, actually. I just don't like trading CPI day. But yeah, I'd say if you haven't gotten any trades today, and you probably shouldn't have from 9:35, right? Then might be time to just wrap it up for the day, because then Powell's going to be talking, and that's not just like an instant news event. That's going to be going on for a while. So that means it's going to be weird action for a while, right? Day 2 semi-annual report to Congress, yeah. Only one at 9:32 anew, but you guys should have it not at 9:32. So yeah, otherwise nothing. No trades on anything. But yeah, I would just recommend, honestly, potentially wrapping it up for the day, because news or Powell's starting to talk right now. I don't know why the market's dumping there. His face hasn't even been shown. Pretty low, this Bollinger Band. It's kind of level we marked out or said about buying, but it was in the middle of the Bollinger Band not that long ago, so it's right near the bottom. Still not really interested in it though, especially with Powell starting to talk. There we go. So we mentioned something pretty much like this. Obviously, Powell right now. So should you do that? Probably not. But this is the idea. Except also not outside the Bollinger Band. Equities are dropping. Except for Tesla. Look at this chat. Look at that chat. Ooh, we just fell quick and fast there. Quick and fast. Never reached 711. We did kind of call out 700 to 711, right? But just draw out fair value gaps manually. Or yeah, I don't know, it's nice. I mean, draws out everything for you, but there is free fair value gap indicators too. It's not going to be the exact same, but you could look at like Lux Algo for value gap. That'll be similar. Won't show you necessarily overlapped quite as well because it doesn't look back as far and stuff, but like it'll show you these. But like those are all different than the ones we have on the chart, right? You can edit them around. I mean, yeah, play around with it, but I just read that from the Discord chat thinking he was in here. Jeez. $600 for Valley Gap. So that's kind of the idea of how the strategy is, right? Outside the Bollinger Band, you got a little key level, you got a fair value gap, take a stab, put a 10-point stop. Usually with a 10-point stop at NQ, you know, you're either right or wrong very quickly. You can get nice risk rewards. I think we're gonna end the live stream early today. So reminder, I won't be live the rest of this week, and I mean maybe we'll go live on Monday, just even though it's a bank holiday, just because I won't be live the rest of next week. So probably Monday, just to see what's going on. And then I'll make a video today going over new settings for the unicorn. But that's it, guys. So I'll be gone the rest of the week. Be safe with your trading. I'll see everyone probably on Monday, and keep your eyes out for videos. All right, everyone, have a good rest of the week. I'll see you on Monday.